Goes on one sheet pan. You can't get easier than this.
Man,
Then I'm going to take
those look
this
great, straight from your garden.
straight from my garden.
Yeah.
So then I go like this. Just put a little olive oil or avocado oil, whichever one you want to do.
Avocado, like that.
Not too much,
Himalayan
but
sea
enough.
salt.
Just enough. Okay, not too
Little
much.
pepe.
Little pepper.
Little pepe.
That's it. And you just kind of go like this. What you want it
nice.
to be is like sunscreen. Not too much. Just
Yeah,
like
see?
sunscreen.
You toss it with your hands.
Yeah.
A real Sicilian does that.
Awesome. Then you're just going to go like this. Okay, now I'm going to take my salmon.
Dive in on that salmon.
And you see how it's thin over here? So I go like this. And I make my steaks. Like this. And you want them to all be the same thickness. So you go like this. I like to put it like this.
I asked her if that salmon was going to be fishy. She got out the knife. Do I need to say any more?
Yeah. Bacalao! If you're Italian, you know what I'm talking about. Now this is the fun part. Are you ready for this? Okay. So I'm going to take my basil. I love basil and fish. So delicious. So I'm just going like this.
You don't mind if I join you here, do
You
you?
can totally join me.
I don't want to do anything. I just want to watch.
Oh, okay.
So I'm learning.
You're learning.
You're never too old to learn something, right?
Yeah, or unlearn.
This is Cindy Gershon.
This is
The fabulous Cindy
The
Gershon.
fabulous.
Sin fabulous, sin
I am the
delicious.
sin delicious.
You know?
Okay, so now I'm gonna take these. Roma tomatoes are really good, but I like these little sweet organic tomatoes. So I'm gonna make a tomato basil salsa.
She also has a restaurant in Walnut Creek, California here. And what's the name of the restaurant?
Sunrise Bistro.
Sunrise Bistro.
Oh, yeah.
And you know you have to get there at sunrise, right?
Yeah, 100%.
100%.
100%.
So she's cutting up the pomodoros. I love that.
I'm gonna put them in here. Like
And I see you have some ayo in there. You know, garlic.
Yes,
Right.
right here. So you want to go ahead and hit me with a little bit of this extra virgin
Oh my
olive
gosh,
oil.
virgin olive oil. I love that.
Yes. And you got to remember whenever
How much?
you're
Just a
dealing.
little bit?
Yeah, you just sunscreen, baby, sunscreen. Okay. Now you're going to hit me with a little bit of that balsamic vinegar,
All right.
just because it just tastes good on your fish.
Oh
Okay.
God, this is heavy.
A little bit.
Just a
A
little-
little
just-
bit
just
more.
a little bit
Then
more.
you're going to do salt, pepper. Same thing.
I thought I was just gonna watch.
And then you're going to do this.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. You change this.
Okay. You trade places with me.
Okay, here we go.
Do
A little,
that.
a little pepe. Look at that. A little pepe.
Oh, yeah, we got it going on.
I think that's good. A little sale.
Uh-huh,
That's salt in Italian.
Salt, yes.
Okay. A little bit. How much salt? A little bit.
Just on the salmon. Just on the salmon, okay? Now here's the fun
Yelling
part.
at me here.
And you go just like this. Right on the
Oh, that's nice.
and it cooks down right into the salmon.
It's
Gives it
good,
a
yeah.
wonderful
I like that.
flavor. Okay. So the next thing, okay, now I'm gonna put this in the oven,
Let's watch
450 degrees. Okay. I like to put it right on the top. That's it. You know when everything's done because the peppers will start to blister a little bit, the zucchini is just right, and that soaks down into the salmon. It gives it such a good flavor, and it gets a little crispy on the top.
Now what are you doing?
Now we're gonna strip kale, and I'm gonna make.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
I'm
Listen.
gonna strip the kale.
Wait a minute. What kind of show is this?
I know, you know what I'm saying? It's rated R. Totally rated R.
Can I come in here and be with you?
You can come in, I'm gonna have you strip the kale.
No. I just want to watch. Can I watch?
Come on in.
Then I'll come in.
Okay, so what you do here is you take your kale and you strip like this. Nothing worse. You know when you get the bag at like Trader Joe's and such, they chop up the whole stem. That's why people don't like kale. Because the stem tastes like not good.
Well, let me tell you something. My wife, who is Narita over there. She's our producer and our camera operator
Yeah.
on Vito's Italian Cucina, if you don't mind me saying Vito's Italian Cucina.
You better say it.
Okay. She loves kale. Me, I like kale, but only I love it when it's cooked.
You're going to love this.
All right.
I'm going to show you how to do
Tell
it.
them.
Not only are we going to strip it,
Yeah.
we're going to massage it.
Let me go here.
Okay? Stripped, then massage.
You hear that? Narita, you hear that? Strip, then massage. Okay, there we
You
go.
know, it's all in the hands. You got to feel everything. You know, really. You
Let's
got to
say.
feel it all. It's got to be in the hands. And then you can tell if it's good. So I got a lot going on here. Because this, when I do this, it'll last 3-4 days.
Yes.
But if you put lettuce, no way. So at the restaurant, the guys, we get whole cases of this dino kale. The reason why people don't like raw kale is because it's hard to digest. It's hard to digest, it's hard to chew, it doesn't taste good. So what I do is I put olive oil, massage it, olive oil and salt. It breaks it down. It goes from being this big to this big.
Do it again for me.
It goes from this big to this big.
Okay.
You know what I'm talking about? You know, you think after the massage and everything it might get bigger, but no, it gets smaller. Okay?
Yeah.
But you can also add your romaine lettuce or whatever to this if you want to thin it out a little. Watch out for your fingers. You don't want to be out of the game. Don't hit your fingers. Constantly be looking. Okay. So it looks like I got a lot in here, right? Oh my God, look at all this kale she's got in there. So now I'm going to take a good extra virgin olive.
Ah, we're going to massage again.
Now we're going to massage.
Here we go.
And this, I love this. Okay? We're going to massage it really good. I'm going to put a little salt.
Sale, some sale.
Yes.
Some pepe?
And now
No pepe?
we go like this.
Oh.
And what you want to do is you want to break it down. And you can see how it's already starting to go down. And you can see how vibrant and bright it is compared to what it was.
That's true.
Because it's breaking down the fiber wall. And the flavors are going to come out of your kale. It's going to taste so good.
I had a nun in 3rd grade that used to break me down
You know, you're
with a ruler.
Yeah, across the hands,
No,
back
but-
of the hands.
Yeah, and the bella face also.
Yeah.
My glasses used to go like that. Serious.
They weren't that mean with the girls.
Well,
But they would put you in the closet.
Oh, no, I got it.
Right across your hands and put you in the closet.
Well, there was something I should have known coming in. Her name was Sister Mary Mafia. What did that tell you? We just came over just for a light lunch today. This
Just
is
a
what she
light
says,
lunch.
a light lunch.
Okay.
Now it's turned into a whole thing, which is
No,
nice.
it's a whole,
you know.
it's a whole
It's a whole thing. It's a salmon and vegetables and
So,
massage
massage my kale.
kale. Now she's got the knife again. Maybe I should step back.
Step back. Now, I'm going to make us our salad. You guys ready?
See?
Okay. So I'm going to put a little kale like this. You don't have to eat it all. I got to-go bags. Okay, doggy bags. You can take home what you want. But I like this. And sometimes what I'll do is when the salmon comes out of the oven, I put it right on the top with the roasted veggies on it.
Oh, okay.
It's to die for.
So it's like one dish.
It could be one dish.
But we're not doing that today, right?
Nope, I'm keeping it separate because this is going to be a whole meal. Okay, you ready for this one?
I'm ready for this one.
Okay, I got toasted almonds. Okay, this is a protein and a fat. Okay, so we're going to take the toasted almonds
Another knife.
and we're going to just kind of break them up like this.
When I do chop up onions nuts like that, I have to wear a face shield. That's why I wear my glasses all the time. So. Did you ever get a nut in the eye?
You don't even want to know.
Well, hey, I'm not even. Okay, this is a family show. Oh boy, it's okay. No cards and letters, please. No cards and
You know
letters.
what? When you get to be this age, who cares?
Who cares, right?
Who cares? Sometimes my grandkids, I go, what's your favorite music?
Yeah.
They go, and I said, but they're like 10, 12 years old.
Yeah.
I said, play for me. They look at each other. I don't think it's appropriate.
That's
I
right.
look at, they think,
Yeah.
And then I have to because they right away think you're old.
Yeah.
You don't know anything.
I don't know. Oh, I don't know
You know what I'm
anything
saying?
anyway. But yeah.
I don't know anything.
Yeah, right.
I forgot more than they know.
Yeah, right.
All right, so what you want to do is you want to get these small. And you can do...
Cindy Gershon.
Cindy Gershon. That's right, Cindelicious.
Cindelicious. She had her own show called Cindelicious. And she also had the Better Living Variety Show.
Oh, that was
which was a
amazing.
little while back. It was a beautiful show.
Oh, beautiful
show. Another one. She's had all kinds of shows.
Yeah.
And now here's another show. This
There you
is
go.
At Home with Sin.
Sin.
Delicious.
In the kitchen.
In the Cucina.
With Nana.
With Nonna.
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 There you go. Okay, so I like it a little rough chop. Okay? So I go like this right over here. Okay. Not too much, just enough. These pumpkin seeds. This stuff is so good for you. All the seeds. This is like a whole meal right here. Okay? I put a little bit of the seeds. Oh, you gotta tell me how this tastes. This is just fresh. Out of the garden. So a little bit. You could do whatever you want. Cucumber, you know, just a little bit. All right, now I'm setting this to the side. Now, I'm gonna take the egg, okay? This makes it amazing. See how this is a full meal?
See?
Okay. A little hard-boiled egg on the top.
See, everybody thinks that's just for cheese.
Yeah.
It's
who
not.
knew?
You
Who
can
knew?
use it for a lot of stuff like this.
A lot of stuff. Okay, so next, because I love avocado.
So do I.
Good fats. And you know what? It's. I hate to say, the refined carbohydrates and the sugar, that's what makes us sick.
Yeah.
This stuff doesn't.
Now, when you have your avocado, if you were going to have one just to eat it, do you like them hot or cold? I mean, do you like them room temperature or cold?
Room temperature.
Ah, me too.
Because, you know, we get older, our teeth bother us. There's the truth. I'm only going to tell the truth.
God.
Nothing but
Can you
the truth.
do me a favor? Could you lay off the age thing for a minute?
All right, so now I'm going to do just a little. Do you see how simple?
I did.
Olive oil.
Yeah.
Crush it.
Yeah.
The eggs, the seeds, the nuts, the avocado. Now I just hit it, just with not too much. Not too much.
Well, I'm trying to get back to my original weight, 6 pounds, 7 ounces. I don't think it'll be healthy
So what
for
do you
me.
think about that? Isn't that
Take a
nice?
look.
That is so easy. So easy. Wow, look at that. See, blistering, zucchini good. That salmon's almost done. How simple is this?
What are you doing right now? You're turning the tray around.
Yeah, just turn it around. I'd like to take a look at it. Okay. We're going to open the oven now. I'm going to show you how to check it. Some people like their salmon real well done. Some people like it a little bit, a little softer and pinker on the inside. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to check. So you can see my vegetables here. They're blistered. The peppers. And if you go like this to the salmon, you can see that it's firm. This is how I like to eat it. Firm. Okay? Now I'm going to put this over here. And now you see, we got our salads. Fabulous. Okay, so people say, why don't you cut the peppers and clean them? I said, too much work. So at the end, I just go like this. I take these out just like this. No big deal.
Well, this looks gorgeous. You know, you didn't have to put this together like this, but I thought, well, this is going to be a lot of work, but you didn't make it seem like it was a lot of work.
It can't be.
It can't be.
It
Come on
can't
in
be
here a
a lot
little
of
closer. I want you to get inside your eyes. This is Cindy Gershon, and I love this lady. I've known her for quite a long time, right?
42 years.
42 years?
I was
that's-
only about 7.
you have no lines. Okay,
Because I eat well.
yeah, she does eat well. Anyway,
Okay.
what do you? Is there a name for what we have here? Because this is an episode, of course, of Vito's Italian Cucina. We're glad you could be with us today. And tell us what we have here as a title or whatever.
Salmon Milanese.
What is it?
Salmon Milanese.
Salmon Milanese.
You put aroma, tomato, basil, salsa right on the top of your salmon.
Yeah.
And you roast it in the oven.
And you roast it. Okay.
That's it.
All
Now,
right.
this same the basil thing,
Okay.
you can saute that up.
Yeah.
And you can toss your pasta if you want to.
Oh,
get a little
pasta.
in there.
Yeah, that's right,
Okay.
that's right.
What you want to do is you want to get the pasta from Italy.
Yeah. Well, you know what? I'm going to get right to it. I can't wait to eat this. I would like to sign off and say thank you. Grazie molto bene. Arrivederci from Vito's Italian Cucina. And you want to say something real quick here? Get us on.
Yeah. If you come up to Walnut Creek, come to the restaurant and visit me.
And what's the restaurant?
Sunrise Bistro, right in Walnut Creek.
Right in Walnut Creek, California.
Every single thing made from scratch.
That's
Hey,
right. Hey, Mano.
You don't want to open a package.
That's right.
You want to cook.
Yeah. If you got an itch, she'll do the scratch.
100%.
Okay. Ciao for now.
Ciao, Bella.
Ciao, Bella.
Okay, let's do it here. We go like this. Okay. And then you got to have some of the zucchini is from my garden, fresh. Okay.
Got a pomodoro in there for me?
There you go. Are you loving it?
Look at that. All right, I'm gonna take a bite. Okay, should I take a bite of the
Just eat it.
entree?
Tell us what you think.
All right, I'll just.
So I gotta tell you,
I'm
these
going with the
guys-
salmon first. Hold on here. Let me try this. Look at this. This is the salmon. Look at this. Okay. Now I'm a big deal about salmon being fishy, and she told me it's not gonna be. So here, let's try it. Not that I don't believe you, but. Oh my God. Absolutely not fishy. Tender, delicious. And I can taste all these condiments that you put on there, the basil, the pomodoro,
You know,
and the
it's
olive
like-
oil. Salute!
But it's like a little party in your mouth.
Ooh,
You know?
yeah.
That's what food should be.
Like a little party.
Like a party.
Well, I told Narita, I says, you know, when you get something served to you, you eat with your eyes first, right?
Absolutely delicious. So good. Flavorful. Healthy. This is my second serving. I might have a third. Really good.
Ciao for now.
Ciao, Bella.
Ciao, Bella.
Okay, let's go.